Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the pedestal drawer divider in your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the divider is broken, damaged, or missing. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this will be the washer that we're using for this demonstration. It's a Kenmore, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to open up our pedestal drawer here, and as you can see, in our drawer we have this divider over here, and we have another space for a divider here, which we're missing. There are supposed to be two dividers. If you don't have one, not that big of a deal, but it's nice to keep everything separate if you got this space for something that you're using here. So now you can grab your new OEM replacement divider. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And what I'm going to do before I put our new divider in, I'm just going to spray a little bit of cleaner in there, wipe that down so we don't get our brand new cleaner all dirty with all this old residue that's in here already. So we'll just wipe that down. And now we've got most of that stuff cleaned out, but you can put your divider in, and all you're going to do is line it up with the two slots on either end. Put that in first, and just drop it straight down, just like that. And then you can close up your door, and your repair is complete. Two cheese trucks just ran into each other on the highway. Debris was everywhere. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.